Today we are giving away $50 worth of heirloom seeds from Seeds for Generations. Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Kylene. And we are the Provident Preppers, but I am the crazy gardener lady. And I absolutely love growing my own fruits and vegetables on our own property. In fact, you see behind us, these are peppers and tomatoes, onions and garlic that tonight will be all going into a delicious homemade salsa that we'll be enjoying all winter long. I won't be too happy about it tonight, but all over the winter I will be thrilled. So I really am excited. I love growing our own food, and that's one of the reasons why this giveaway is near and dear to my heart.
Yep, and we want to introduce you to Jason and Shannon Mateus. They are doing amazing things. We connected with them, and they have the Seeds for Generations. All their seeds are heirloom, open pollinated. There's no GMO. Now on their site they do offer some other seeds from other suppliers.
But it's always clearly marked.
But it's always clearly marked on there so that you know what you're getting. And they grow all their seeds and all their plants without any kind of pesticides.
Yeah. They're such an adorable family, and it's the little cottage industry, right? And we love to support that. One of the other things that we want to introduce you to is their blog. So seedsforgeneration.com/blog will take you to that, and I'll leave a link in the video, or in the description. But it's really cool because he has all kinds of different articles in there, like on that can help you really do a better job of growing your garden with tips and techniques. And they also have some really cool recipes in there. And on the sidebar, they have like planting calendars and companion planting things and all kinds of things to really help you be more successful. And then when you look at their seeds, like this is an example of the beet seeds that they sell. So they don't sell 100 varieties, but they do sell a lot of the tried and true ones. And both of the kinds that John and I like are on there. So I'm a huge fan of Cylindra beets because when I cook them and I slice them, they're all the same size. I really like that. But John loves the Detroit.
Right.
But one of the things that they sell that you might not be aware of is something called a mango beet. And we have grown these before, and they will grow up to like 20 pounds. And they're great for animal fodder. So you can leave them in the ground over the winter and just continually harvest them and feed them to your animals. Our chickens love them, and it's nice during that winter time to be able to feed your animals some fresh food. And so they do carry those, and those are kind of hard to find. So we are super, super excited about this.
Absolutely. This is a great giveaway. We want to thank Jason and Shannon for their generosity. As you know, we are huge, huge garden freaks. Maybe freaks isn't quite the right word to use, but...
John is a spreadsheet geek, right? He's the engineer geek. I'm the garden geek. I'm the crazy plant lady who finds great joy in being out in my garden.
But it's so important that you can grow some of your own food. This is an important part of a self-reliant lifestyle, and so we encourage you to check this out.
And so now for the giveaway. Jason and Shannon have agreed to give one of our viewers $50 of store credit to Seeds for Generation. And so if you would like to win, all you have to do is, first you have to be a subscriber, right? Because this is only for our subscribers. And then there'll be a link in the description of this video that will take you to a landing page, a special page for the giveaway on Seeds for Generation. And you just need to enter your name and your email in there. And that's how you enter. There'll also be extra bonus entries if you'd like to do something on social media. It kind of walks you through that. And then you need to comment or share or do something for the Provident Prepper, right? And we're so excited. So this starts today, so get busy entering, and it goes through the 30th. And then we will announce the winner on October 2nd. And I have some really good news. So for my friends in Canada, this one's open to somebody in Canada. So
nice.
United States and Canada. So I'm really excited about that.
So thanks again to Jason and Shannon for their generosity, and thanks to each of you for being part of the solution. Together we're making the world a better place.
We are, and if you really want to make the world a better place, you're going to come and help me do the salsa tonight. So the
Sounds like a
invitation's
good
open,
deal.
right? All right. Enter. It's time. Seeds for Generations.